So we have reached the entrance of the Erawan Fall, and you have to pay there. There's the counter. So 320 for motorbike. So there's the price for each person. Okay, thank you. Alright, we are ready now. Going to the waterfall. 300 baht. And you can stay up to 4:30 p.m. Okay, I am in the park now where it's going to lead to the waterfall. And this is the ticket. It costs you 300 for each person and 20 for the motorbike. So here we can see visitor center. So entrance. Let's see. Oh, cave. National Park in Kanchanaburi. So this is a mini map. You can have 7 levels of water. Oh, it's clear. So let's try to get inside the cave. All right. Okay, you have to bend down. Oh wow, looks like a real cave. A little bit gloomy, dark. You can see the pictures here. I think that's how the caves were made initially. Oh, look at the arrangement it's been done. Really nice. And then you swirl around, make a circle. Pathat cave. Oh, nice arrangement. All right. And here you can see some souvenirs. You can do some shopping around. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is bamboo shoot snack. I want to try one of these. This looks good. So this is the Erawan Waterfall, and there are 7 levels to it. We are at the 5th level. You can go higher from here and reach the upper levels. Wow, looks beautiful. To climb up to the higher levels, you have to go from here and climb up steep mountains. It's quite fun, you know, to climb up like this. Look at the people. Wow, it's like a challenge to walk up from here. Okay, another interesting place, Maldives Erawan. Here you can get the feeling of sitting on the floating house. You can eat food here. These are the floating houses where you can enjoy the breeze, the mountains. You can get the boats here. Wow, look at the view. Such a beautiful place. So I think you can even swim from here also. Oh, look at that. The green mountains. Wow, such a beautiful place. But not people around. So it looks quite attractive from outside. And there's my motorbike. Another 25 kilometers to go from here. Okay, your man is a bit hungry. Let's see what we can get here. สวัสดีครับ เท่าไหร่ครับ
เนี่ยอ่ะ
Yeah, yeah.
เนี่ย15 บาท
15. Oh, another one. Let's try the corns here. I was looking for sweet potato, but yeah. Sweet potato you have?
Yeah.
Try
15 baht
15 baht.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is same, right? Same. Same from here.
Yeah.
Same, right? Same. 15 baht. Okay. It's alright. So 15 baht.
15 baht
1 5. 15.
One
Okay.
five.
15 baht.
Yeah.
From here. Okay, so he's grilling here. Yeah, this is better. Straight from the oven. So he only has corn. I was kind of looking for something like filling up my stomach. Okay guys, we have come to the Death Railway, which is quite a popular destination here in Kanchanaburi. This is the market surrounding vibe you can get. So the train goes from here also, it still passes. So this bridge was built during the Japanese occupation in Thailand, and the interesting part about this was many people died because of inhuman condition, and now it's open. There is a beautiful restaurant I can see there, and you can take boat rides also on this river. Oh wow, I think it stretches for around like 1 kilometer. You can see from behind. And this side, I don't know, maybe because of early morning it looks more gloomy and dark here.